This is the neurovascular hold for the water element. There's some kidney neurovascular points just at the back of the head. And then gently release. Shake the hands off. We're going to just do a gentle swing. So if you've got a high back to your chair, you may want to just bring yourself forward a little bit. Or if you want to come standing, you can just gently swing your arms around. And you want to just bring the hand up at the back. So you're actually tapping on that kidney at the back of the body. But you can do this seated as well. So I can't see where all of you are, but sometimes standing is good. We'll do a little bit of blend of standing and seating, but everything can be done seated. So we're just lifting that arm up and really tapping. You can look over the shoulder, looking back as your arms swing round, or you can keep them forwards. Just having a nice, and kidneys responsible for our lower back as well. So any lower back pain, we would normally look towards the kidney. And then gently shake the hands off. Hopefully you guys will have a spoon nearby, but we're going to start. Again, I want you to have the soles of the feet connected to the earth. We're going to spend a little bit of time with kidney. So we're going to tap on the end of the kidney meridian, which is just under the collarbone. You'll see some natural little indents. And gently tapping here. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And this is almost like you're calling the energy up from the sole of the foot. The kidney, if you don't know what meridians are, they're energetic pathways traveling around the body, majority of them connected with meridians. Two organs. And they're used in traditional Chinese medicine for acupuncture. And we use them for the same reasons, but we just don't use needles. And please don't use needles at home. And then what we're going to do is grab the spoon. We're going to spoon the bottom of the feet. The kidney meridian starts right at the bottom of the foot. So right at the bottom of the foot. So that's where the kidney meridian starts. So spooning the feet will just help and open this energy. So spooning one foot. You can always turn the spoon the other way up and rake the feet. Especially nice coming into the season of spring. It's like digging over your garden. You want to really rake the feet, which is nice. And then do the other one. So really spooning. And then pop your feet back down. And again, just notice, have a moment of stillness. And just notice whether your feet feel a little bit more suctioned in. And we're back to tapping again, tapping on this K27. So we've opened the start of the meridian, the bubbling spring. We're back to the end of the meridian. So they should now be communicating. And you're going to be drawing this beautiful, fresh energy up. Notice the speed you're tapping, how hard you're tapping. You don't need to make any changes. And then what we're going to do is we're going to rub down the side of the arms. And the front, bring your thumb to the front of the shoulder. You can do the two together. And then the other side. And then back to tapping again. So kidneys getting, I hope you've got a lovely day planned, because you're going to have so much energy, guys, today. Your kidney's going to love it. So tapping here. And then we're going to give a little massage. So you're going to come right down to your lower belly and just massage from your lower belly out towards the groin.